Hello and welcome. In this video from Schiller, we'll look at one of the latest features in the Alientech KESS3 tool, DynoDrive. To use it, make sure DynoDrive is activated on your device. For activation, contact with our team in Schiller. You will need the KESS3 tool, OBD and USB cables, a laptop, and a co-pilot to assist during the test. To access DynoDrive, select the vehicle just like when performing a regular ECU read or write. If you know the ECU type, enter it directly. In this demo, we use a Peugeot partner with an EDC 17C60 ECU. After selecting the vehicle, go to the connection page. Here, click on the DynoDrive tab and open Protocol 5001. You'll be prompted to view the manual. It's a good idea to review the manual, especially if you're testing an automatic transmission or using DynoDrive for the first time. The manual offers useful tips for accurate testing. Only perform the test on a closed road or private track for safety. A co-pilot is required to help operate the laptop during the test. After selecting the DynoDrive protocol, proceed to the GPS authorization page. Agree to location data processing and continue. KESS3 will then verify test conditions, activate the GPS module, and retrieve live vehicle data through the diagnostic port. Once the check is complete, proceed to the next step. Now you'll enter vehicle data. Start by selecting the gear for the test. Then, set the starting RPM. We'll use 1,500 revolutions per minute for this demonstration. Choose your measurement system metric or imperial. We're using metric. Next, input the unladen vehicle mass, usually found on the B pillar or searched online. Enter the combined weight of driver and passenger and the current fuel level. Optionally, input ambient temperature and pressure for correction factors. Under Label, name your test or vehicle to locate it later in the DynoDrive dashboard. Once all data is entered, click Start Test. The driver should reach 1,500 revolutions per minute in third gear. Once at 1,500 revolutions per minute, hold the speed steady to begin the test. At the first beep, decelerate to 1,400 revolutions per minute. When 1,400 revolutions per minute is reached, the second beep signals to accelerate fully to the limiter. Then shift to neutral and wait for the third beep, allowing the vehicle to coast. The third beep marks the end of the test. If done correctly, DynoDrive will show the results. Log in at dynodrive.alientech-tools.com with your credentials to view graphs and data. In the dashboard, you can review all recorded tests. On the left panel, the history section displays previous sessions. For mobile tuners or users without access to a dyno cell, DynoDrive provides before and after performance data. This lets you show clients performance changes between stock and tuned files. Ensure accurate data entry and always prioritize safety. That's how to use DynoDrive on the Alientech KESS3. For more info, contact with our team. Thanks for watching.